this video, we'll show you some really cool applications of array formulas combined with text functions. If you don't know, text functions will introduce you to the one we need here. So that's the file I want you to look at. So suppose I wanted to find out the total length of these people's names: Alfie, Diane, Jen, Greg, Vivian, and Alexander. Well, I think you know there's a function in Excel called len to tell you the length in each cell. And I could copy that down, and I could get the total length by just adding those up. And the maximum length, if you were interested, the longest cell in that range. Okay. Nothing particularly wrong with that. But what I'd like to do is do this with an array formula. And I think you can guess how this works. So this is non-array. And if I use arrays, I don't even need that column E. So if I want the total length, I could just say sum. And what you want to probably do is take the length of all these cells. And if you hit Control-Shift-Enter, it'll work fine. Okay, now if you want to see how that goes, you go Formulas, Evaluate Formula. Okay, so the first thing is it's going to find D4 through D9 the lengths, and then it's going to add them up. Same answer. Or I could do max len. Now let's suppose I don't hit Control-Shift-Enter. I should have said in the formula in I3 I hit Control-Shift-Enter. Then Excel doesn't know what to do, so I'll do this again. So I'll say max len and Control-Shift-Enter, and I get the right answer, not. Okay, now let's suppose you made this data a table. Remember we said when we just discussed pivot tables, it makes something a table, or cell range a table, then when you add new data, your formula is updated automatically. And so that would happen here. If I would make this, now the non-array is wrong, but that's okay. But I do Control-T, this becomes a table, it's got headers. And so now if I would say sum the length of those cells, hopefully we'll get, see it says table 2, it gives it that name. And it gives it the names column is what we're looking at. And so if I would go there, I get 33, and if I had, let's say, James Harden, since I'm in Houston today, see, it automatically picks up the length involving that. So array formulas can do cool things, and again, we don't need any other columns. We just directly do the formula in a single cell rather than create a helper column, I guess it's called. And that works out fine, and you can see the curly bracket there, which indicates that you have an array formula. In the next video, we'll show you some more examples in which the array formulas fill more than one cell.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his Marketing Analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his Analytic Stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.